Hello everyone. So I wanted to give you a couple tips based off of the vehicle that we just did our air brake inspection for a Class B straight truck. So those couple of tips, first being this truck does have a trailer protection control valve. This is because this vehicle can be used as either a straight truck, right, for a bobtail, or it can be used as a combination vehicle for either for a Class A vehicle, so a tractor and a trailer. So that's why you see this. But for your test purposes, you will not be touching this brake. It stays in the outward position. It stays in the outward position the whole time. Now the same goes. So the second tip is also going to be for this is your trailer handbrake. Okay, same goes because this truck can be used as a combination truck with the tractor and the trailer. That's why it has a handbrake. So if you see it, you don't have to worry. You don't have to test this brake. Thank you.